Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about a new off-page SEO technique which is forum posting. So what is forum posting? Now we do have a website called Click and Capture Studio, right? So the very first thing, what is off-page SEO? It is to bring the traffic to the website from outside the website sources, which means we can make use of any external sources to bring the traffic to our website. Now when it comes to the forum posting, always remember that there are few websites in the online where the people who wants to know about something, they will write their questions, and the people who knows the answers in the relevant category, they will answer those questions. It is so simple. I want to quickly show you one of the example, and the very famous website for that is Quora.com. And if someone knows what is Quora.com, it just takes for me to explain 1 minute of time, and maybe if anybody who doesn't know what is Quora.com, I will show you just in less than 1 minute of time. Now as soon as I enter into the Quora, always remember that the very first thing that you have to do is you have to create an account, and then you will be landing on this particular page, and it is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. And here in the Quora, we can see a lot of categories, right, related to politics, sports, books, business. What I want to do is, maybe I have a question related to politics. Now what I'll do, I'll directly click on politics. Now I clearly see that this particular subject is being followed by 34.9 million people, and there are a lot of people who ask the questions, and then there will be people who answers the question, which means there is an interaction between the people. If you want to know, you can directly search your question here, and if you do not find your question, you can directly click on add question, and then you can start asking your question so that somebody who knows the answer will answer to your question. Alright, I hope you clearly understand what is Quora. Now the important thing about Click and Capture Studio, and how are we going to bring the traffic from a forum posting website like Quora using the backlinks. Now the Click and Capture Studio is all about wedding model and product photography, right? And we want the people who is searching something for wedding related photography, and since we stay in Hyderabad, maybe in the Quora I want to search for best wedding photographer in Hyderabad, then definitely there will be someone who already have asked that question, right? And then to that question we can directly answer about the Click and Capture Studio. Maybe the people who reads the answers anytime in future, if they really wanted to come to Click and Capture Studio, since we leave the website details and the contact number, either the user who reads the comment, they can either come to Click and Capture Studio, or maybe they can directly call to the number which was displayed in the comment. Now we will see how we can do that. Now I want to navigate to Quora, and then I want to click on the search bar which is on the very top, and here I want to search for best wedding photographer in Hyderabad, and once I have entered my question, I want to click on enter, and clearly we cannot see the results maybe in the Quora, like we have to use who is the best or what is, something like that. We have to add the W between any question. It can be who, what, when, something like that. It is a question. Now when I search with the term who is, I can find some of the results. Who are the best photographers for weddings in Hyderabad? This is what exactly I'm looking for. Which are good and affordable candid wedding photographers in Hyderabad? And clearly we can see that this particular question has been posted, and there are people who is answering the questions, and then there will be people who reads the answers, and out of them maybe very few even will vote for the answers which has been given. Alright, so we can make a use of the forum posting in our scenario Quora.com. We can find all the questions that are related to wedding photography which is in Hyderabad. We can find the questions, since we know very much about the wedding photography because we are in the same field, right? Like we are managing the Click and Capture Studio business. What we can do, we can, not this tab, this tab, we can directly read the question, who are the best wedding photographers in Hyderabad, and then we can click on comment, and then we can start typing about Click and Capture Studio. Dilsukhnagar is the best wedding photographer in Hyderabad, and here is the number. And if you want to know much more about the Click and Capture Studio, you can visit clickandcapturestudio.com, something like that. Now when we use the website, it will directly turn into a link. We can call this particular link as a backlink, right? Now once we have typed the comment, and once we have added the comment, anytime in future, maybe next month, maybe next week or next year, maybe after 2 years or 3 years. Anybody who reads the answers, if they really like our answer, then directly they will click on Click and Capture Studio link here, and then they will be redirected to the Click and Capture Studio website. I hope you have clearly understand what do I mean by forum posting in off-page SEO. And just like the Quora, there are few other websites like India Forums, Reddit, and even if you want to find a lot of forum posting websites, all you have to do is you have to navigate to Google and then you can search for forum posting websites, so that you will find all the list of websites where you can find different questions asked by people around the globe. You can apply the filters according to the region or the city, and then you can start answering the questions based on what business that you are doing. And even I want to give you one small example. Maybe for Edurself, we can directly search for what is the best way to learn digital marketing in Hyderabad, or maybe who is the best digital marketer in Hyderabad. And when the questions pops up, what we can do, we can directly take the copy of this particular answer and then we can paste it in the Quora. As we are mentioning our contact number, maybe anybody who really wanted to learn digital marketing, they will directly contact us, or maybe even if we keep the website detail, they will come to the edurself.in website. Alright, I hope you clearly understand, and if you have any questions related to forum posting in off-page SEO topic, I want you to write down your question and post it right below the video. I will read each and every one of your comments and I will answer to each and every one. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you are watching this video for the very first time, and if you really wanted to learn digital marketing completely for free, you can navigate to Edurself YouTube channel. There you can find the playlist Digital Marketing, and I have did more than hundreds of videos. You can make a use of it. And also, if you want to join my live digital marketing classes, I left all the details in the description. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.